Ray, are you mad at me now?
When you asked if he was mad at you,
Yeah,
I think he said yes.
could be. Ray, can you forgive me? Was that the answer, Ray? You're mad at me now, and that's why you don't talk to me?
Would you talk to me?
Good.
Were you here when it was a poorhouse?
I think that was a yes.
I believe that was a yes, so you were here during when it was a poorhouse. Was it just you here? Or did your family come with you?
Is that two of you came with you? That if I ever come back down here, you can forgive me. Do you think you can forgive me? Or did you ever play sports? Where did you live before?